I wanted to take just a minute and come to you with a message from the entire Tim Dahle Automotive Group. Tim Dahle Nissan in Bountiful, Tim Dahle Nissan in Murray, Tim Dahle Infiniti in Murray, Tim Dahle Ford in Spanish Fork, and of course us here at Tim Dahle Nissan in Southtowne. I want to assure you that we here at Tim Dahle are taking every precaution necessary as we recognize that our business is one of those essential businesses. When you come in for sales or service to any one of the Tim Dahle locations, we are taking every precaution necessary to keep you and your family safe. So keeping you safe is our highest priority. So we also understand that the need for an automobile just doesn't go away. We've created a couple systems and a couple processes to help you while you're looking at a car. One of those ways is the virtual test drive. All you do is call in and talk to one of our sales professionals, and they'll video conference you in as they show you the car. One of the other things that we're doing, and perhaps this is one of the more exciting things that we're doing, the at-home test drive. Call in, talk to one of our sales professionals. They'll schedule a time to deliver the car to your house, disinfected, ready to go. There is no reason to have to come into any one of our stores or our locations to buy a car. So one of the other things that we're doing is we're doing 0% financing for up to 84 months. That's incredible. 0% financing for up to 84 months. And on top of that, we also have deferred payments until August of 2020. That's 4 months with no car payment. Imagine that. You have a $500 car payment, you'll save $2,000 in car payments alone. So I've saved the most exciting news for the last part of this video. We're matching your stimulus check dollar per dollar all the way up to $5,400, giving you a grand total of $10,800 that you can use towards your down payment. Having said all this, I recognize that we live in a world of uncertainty. As we're all scrambling to adapt, let's remember to take care of ourselves and each other. Well, thank you so much for being a Tim Dahle customer. We're not sure how long these conditions are going to last. We're not sure how long this offer will last. Take advantage of this. It's the best way to keep the economy going, to keep you going. Thank you so much, and we look forward to helping you. Tim Dahle Automotive Group. Together, we can do this.